My, is there any doubt regarding last lecture? Is any
No,
doubt? Solve this question. Select the scalar and vector from the following terms. How many terms are scalar and vector? Tell me. Velocity is a scalar or vector?
Vector.
Distance,
Scalar.
acceleration,
Vector.
work,
Scalar.
mass,
Scalar.
retardation,
Vector.
uh, pressure,
Scalar.
electric power,
scalar,
Scalar.
scalar, frequency,
Scalar.
uh, density,
scalar,
Scalar.
good. Weight is scalar or vector?
Scalar.
scalar.
It's vector.
Oh,
Oh,
why
Uh,
is it vector?
what?
Why is it vector?
Because we know that. Just wait. Hello,
Hello.
hello.
Hello. Hello. Sir, I can't
Uh,
hear you.
hello.
Hello.
Uh, we know that force is equals to ma, mass into acceleration.
Yes.
Acceleration is equals to we can write a is equal to z because acceleration due to gravity.
Yes.
Weight is a force when we measure weight on weighing machine.
Yes.
Suppose that this is an object and mass is always act in downward. Even g is always act in downward. We have a
Mm.
particular direction also with respect to g.
Oh,
That's why it is a vector quantity. I think it is clear.
yes.
Hmm. Solve this question. Ramlal traveled 250 miles north, but then backtracks to south for 105 miles to pick up friend. What Ramlal total distance and displacement? Total distance and
145 miles. And displacement is also
55, right?
145. Both of them are 145.
No, I think distance is 355 because you add them together.
No,
listen,
because then you go north and then you go back south, so you minus.
listen,
But that's how you calculate displacement.
listen. Suppose that this is a origin point. We first move north 250 miles, and return back 105. When we
Hmm.
find total distance, we add x1 plus x2,
Hmm.
x1 plus x2. 250 plus 105 is equals to how much?
355.
355 miles. This is the distance. When we find our displacement, we minus final position minus initial position. 250 minus
105.
105. How much?
145.
45.
145.
But sir,
X,
you said that distance is equals to displacement when it is a straight line, right?
yes, I'm said when a distance is equal to displacement when a body is moving in a straight line. Listen, a body is moving from now north to south,
Hmm.
horizon to north. Now it take a turn. Now it take a turn. Then displacement is less than distance.
Hmm.
When there is no turn, at that condition only, distance is always equal to displacement. If there is no turn.
Okay.
Next question. Suppose that a farmer moves along a boundary of a square field is 10 meter. This is a boundary of a square 10 meter. Uh, a farmer moves along a boundary of a square of a side 10 meter in 40 seconds. Farmer cover 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude? Magnitude of the displacement. He is asking the numerical value
Okay.
30 meters
of the farmer and at 2 minutes
and
20
20.
seconds.
Second.
What? What? Listen. Suppose that 10 meter in 40 seconds. 10
Hmm.
meter in 40 seconds.
Hmm.
2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Convert
Hmm.
into a second. It become a 140 second, right?
Hmm.
Divided by 140. 140 we can write 120 plus 20.
Hmm.
Yeah.
If we divide by 40, so it become a 30.
Hmm.
It means 10 meter cover in 40 seconds. So, and then we said 30 meter it cover in 120 second, right?
Hmm.
20 second means 10 meter this and 10 meter this. Uh, Now we calculate the shortest path. We use the Pythagoras theorem and tell me a
Mm,
displacement.
Del square root of 2.
Very good. 2 root 10, which is approximately 14.14
Hmm.
approx. I think it is clear.
Hmm.
Is there any doubt?
Wait, why? You said it meant 30 meters, right?
Yes.
And so you go 30, so that would be. Then why did you do Pythagoras theorem of the two sides?
Because
Um,
because we are taking, listen, one round we cover in 40 seconds.
Mm.
3 rounds we cover in 120 seconds.
Mm.
And uh, in 20 seconds we cover only 5.5 round now.
Mm.
That's why zero point 0.5 I think it is this much is zero point 0.5 round.
Oh, I thought it was saying that it can only one side in 47. जैसे वो farmer can move 10 meters in 40 seconds. I thought that.
I think now it is clear now.
Uh-huh.
Now we start speed. Speed formula is distance upon time. It means how much distance is covered by the body with respect to time is called speed.
Mm.
Suppose that a person, suppose that Ram is moving from A point to B point. When Ram is covering a distance A to B, it's 20 meter in 2 seconds and taking a time 2 seconds. So we say that 20 meter divided by 2 seconds. It gives you 10 meter per second, which is speed. I think it is clear.
Yes.
Speed is a scalar quantity because direction is not there.
Not.
The SI unit of speed is meter per second with SI unit. I think speed is clear.
Mm.
Now we discuss types of speed. Before we discuss type of speed, first we understand what is velocity. Same cheese, velocity is also defined as the ratio of displacement, the ratio of displacement and time is called velocity. This we know that displacement is measured in terms of meter and time is measured in terms of second, right?
Mm.
So we say that the SI unit of velocity is meter per second, right? We know that uh, displacement is a vector quantity and velocity is also a vector. Even we write this formula like this: velocity is final position minus initial position with respect to time. Now I think it's clear
Mm.
what is speed and what is velocity, right?
Yes.
Now we discuss types of speed. In this case, even when we say that speed and velocity, speed is equal to velocity. In which condition? Can you tell me? Same condition is applied for uh, distance and displacement. That
When they're
condition is
going in a
valid for
straight line,
speed is equal to velocity.
when they're going in a straight line.
Yes. When we said speed is equal to velocity, it means not speed is equal to velocity. Its magnitude is velocity is equal to velocity. Speed, magnitude of speed is equal to magnitude of velocity.
Velo-
These two lines represent magnitude. Same. We can write distance, magnitude of distance is equal to magnitude of displacement. Now, types of speed. There are four types of speed: uniform,
Non-uniform.
uh, uniform, even we can say constant speed. Then non-uniform, even we say that variable speed.
Sir,
Hmm.
uniform speed would be like constant speed of car, right? And non-uniform speed would be object falling with gravity, right?
Yes, we can say that. But we little bit it correct. Average speed, instantaneous speed. Even velocity is also further divided into four parts: uniform velocity, non-uniform velocity, average velocity, and instantaneous velocity. I think it is clear. Listen, what is the mean by uniform? First, first I am define a uniform. Uniform speed or constant speed. An object is said to be moving with a uniform speed if it cover equal distance in equal interval of time in equal interval of time throughout the motion throughout its motion without change direction. Listen, I will explain a uniform motion with the help of graph. Suppose that this is a graph, it is x-axis and it is y-axis. This point is origin 0, 0. In x-axis we can write time. In y-axis we can write distance because we know that formula of speed is distance upon time, right?
Yes.
Understand what I'm saying? It if it cover equal distance in equal interval of time without change direction, then we can say speed is uniform. Listen, suppose that it is 1 second, it is 2 second, 3, 4, 2 meter, 4 meter, 6 meter, 8 meter. Suppose that in 1 second body cover a 2 meter. Next another 1 second body cover how much?
2
2
meters.
seconds.
Would in total 4 meters.
It means object cover equal distance in equal interval of time. And the graph is showing a straight line, right?
Mm.
Suppose that uh, a object cover 1 second, put uh, 2 meter in 1 second. Next 1 second, how much it cover?
4 meters.
Very good. Another next second, how much it cover?
6.
Listen, if the object changes direction, it means it changes in speed. We cannot say uh, direction is mainly important in velocity.
Mm.
If the direction is changed, then velocity is also changed. But speed is not changed because in speed, whenever we say that speed is a scalar quantity, and a scalar quantity mainly is defined to its magnitude.
Mm.
I think it's clear now.
Yes.
Very good. When we say non-uniform same definition is there. An object is said to be moving with a uniform speed if it covers equal distance. Then we write equal distance in unequal interval of time. That change direction we can remove here. Can you write definition non-uniform or variable speed? A object is said to be a moving with uniform speed with non-uniform speed if it cover equal distance in equal interval of time. Listen, suppose that it is y-axis, it is x-axis, origin 0, 0, time and distance. I'm taking a time 1 second, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meter, 2 meter, 6 meter, 9 meter, and 12 meter. Listen, object is covered 2 meter in 1 second. Next, the difference between meter is 3. 3 meter in next second. There we write in 16. Listen, there is equal interval of time, but distance is unequal. It means the graph is non-uniform. It may be like this or it look like a this type. This type of graph always show non-uniform.
Okay. So like exponential graph, like first one, right?
Yes, I will explain a graph later, even in the last.
Okay.
I think is there any doubt regarding uniform or non-uniform?
No.
No.
Very good. Now we discuss about average speed.
Average speed is total distance over total time, right?
Yes. Average speed is the ratio of total distance upon my total time. Now we discuss about instantaneous speed. Is there any doubt regarding average speed?
No.
No.
Instantaneous speed,
That is distance over time, right?
right? But there is a little bit change. Formula is same, but concept little bit. Suppose that I am driving a car. This is speedometer. Which tells speed. Suppose that I want to check right now. I want to check my current speed. Current speed. Suppose that current speed is x meter in per second. That is instantaneous speed. Listen, I I am I want to instantaneous speed at instant time. What speed is there? That is instantaneous speed. Suppose that uh, this is point A, this point C. Suppose that I want to measure an instantaneous speed. I am taking a small distance which is called dx. If its point is A dash, if a person covering from A to A dash, the distance is small. If a distance cover is small, then we said it will take a time very little. It called dt. D means is small, means dx y dd. D is differentiation.
So, sir, is the x position in this case then?
Sorry.
Is like d of x is the x like the position?
Yes.
Okay.
Suppose that I will try to my best. Suppose that current time is 5 o'clock. I want to check my speed at 5:01 second. At that time, that time, speedometer tells that is instantaneous. Now I think it is clear.
Mm.
Is there any doubt regarding uh, right uniform or non-uniform, average speed, instantaneous speed?
No.
Same we can define as velocity. We can define as uniform velocity, non-uniform, average velocity, instantaneous velocity.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we define a velocity uniform, we mention that without change in direction. If listen, suppose that a body is moving in a circular path.
Mm.
I am starting from point A. This
Mm.
is a tangent.
Mm-hmm.
Same at every point of a circle, we can draw a tangent.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose that a object covering a circular path, his speed is 4 meter per second. 4 meter
Mm-hmm.
per second means its magnitude is constant. Its magnitude is constant during the circular motion, but its direction is always changed. Listen, when we cover this type, there is direction change. Here is also a direction change. I think now it's clear.
Mm.
But speed do not have direction. That's why in circular motion, we can say magnitude of speed and magnitude of velocity is constant.
Mm.
But but velocity is continuous change at every point.
Okay.
Velocity of magnitude is constant, but velocity is changed because at every point direction is changed.
Yeah.
I think it is clear.
Yes.
Good. Like, one question is there. A car travels a distance A to B at a speed of 40 km per hour and returns to A at a speed of 30 km per hour. What is average speed? Average speed for all the journey. Tell me.
35 kilometers per hour? Is that the answer?
It'll get disconnected in 1 minute.